Good morning, everybody. Today we've got quite a drive ahead of us. We're working up in Denver, South Denver, Highland Ranch area, but it's a good like hour 15 minutes from here. So it's about 6:45 right now. Gonna grab Jonathan on the way up so he doesn't have to drive, so save a little on gas money. I'll have some company on the drive up and back. I'll see you guys when we get there.
That's it?
This is it, yeah. This is what we're doing, yeah. I told you, easy.
I was kind of nervous. I stole a scoop of sand and dumped it at the house for the putting green out of this.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm like, oh, crud. I don't want to take, I come drive it up. Oh, we got enough sand.
Well, we'll still use, I just won't cut it super deep, but I'm like, we'll use it all, yeah. Yeah, this is...
That's not bad.
Check that door over there next to your trailer.
You're good.
I was like, oh, is it in the bag?
No, it's this. Well, so we're doing this all in one piece,
yeah,
because he doesn't want any seams.
Yeah.
So it is way more turf than what we need.
We're cutting it in half.
Yeah. Basically. So we'll need to get the heads all pulled out, capped. A little more. More. Yeah, so easy. Easy. Cap some sprinkler heads, put some forms in, and install it. And then this concrete we poured. You did this, right? No, he can't hear me. I don't remember what, I know we did. And it goes all the way to the back, whole back patio, a lot of turf, yeah. Anytime after he dumps, clear this stuff out. Otherwise it ends up on the windshield of the car behind him when he takes off. You don't want that.
Hit bombs.
Okay.
Good luck, Mark.
Go hit some bombs.
Find the place. It's probably going to take me through Kansas to get there.
We'll have this ready to go whenever you're done.
Yeah.
All right, see ya. Good morning. Doing well, how are you? Yeah, no problem. We'll knock it out and make it look pretty.
Okay, cool.
That'll work. Start that first. Start this first. Give it full throttle. Now, yep. always something. Something to fix, something to repair. That thing's been acting up for a while, but still runs. Basically done.
That's what I'm saying.
I mean,
we put forms in. Okay, tractor just loads it up. No seams.
tractor does basically everything. We just roll it out. We're done.
And then I trim it, you staple it, and we're done. And we got what? 10 sandbags?
Yep.
5 and 5. That's
13.
easy.
How many are there? You're terrible at math.
Well, I didn't count it. Well, Mark had me lay out 10 on one, or maybe you had me do 10 on one. I don't know. I put 10 on one.
That was that other one. Yeah.
So that just kind of stuck with me. So I just.
It was 12.
Okay.
But
so 6 and 6.
same thing.
Same.
10, 12. It's basically the same.
And then after that, I mean, we're just done. You know.
Yep. Easy.
So I mean, plan on getting out of here in
At least
an hour.
At least, yeah.
45.
Depends on how quick we move.
I'll scarf my ground beef down. My plain seasoned ground beef.
You just blend it up and drink it. That's the best way to.
I've blended up chicken and drinking it before.
Ugh.
It was disgusting.
Gross.
It was terrible.
That is nasty.
It was so.
Ugh. One of the neighbors is gonna be like, "Oh, dang, that looks so nice. Let me get your guy's number."
And then next week we're back up here.
Next thing you know, we're working in Denver.
Yeah. Money's money, and if it's up in Denver, I mean, you're heading this way anyway, so it's not like I'm driving.
Yeah,
You know.
that's true. You can, I mean, you could just sleep if you wanted to.
Should I run the hose through the tree?
Just hook up the other one.
That's why you're the freaking boss.
That's right. That's
You got
right.
Such good ideas. All the freaking
Yes, we poured all this
Yeah, this looks good.
and put all this turf in. A lot of turf.
Yeah, low key.
This patio
I can see why you were up here for a week. Not long.
It was a long time.
Yeah.
So it looks good. And then this whole patio.
You guys poured this whole patio?
Yeah.
Dude, holy. I'm guessing you guys poured the sidewalks one day, or what?
Yeah, I don't remember.
'Cause I mean, this is a pretty fat patio. Just alone.
I'm pretty sure we did the upper section and the steps. One pour. Man, this. I don't remember.
Yeah.
Wasn't that long ago, but I do not remember. It still looks really good though. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so we did like these steps in this upper patio.
Gotcha.
First pour, and then the second pour, this lower part,
Maybe that sidewalk.
and maybe the. Yeah, I don't remember.
Yeah.
But it is a lot. A lot of stamping.
Yeah, hand stamped.
Looks good though. Still looks really nice. I like putting turf in when it's
Hot up.
hot to warm, but
But
it's hot.
it's hot. And it soaks up the sun. Because then when you're on it,
It's super hot.
it's super hot.
But you haven't really had to deal with putting it in cold weather yet.
No.
And like the shade,
Yeah.
you'll notice it, especially when we're brushing it, when we're whizzing it. It just does not want to go up. Doesn't want to do it.
So, right here, cut to the edge, obviously.
Yeah, just
that's
fill
what I'm
in.
doing.
Yeah, we don't want to
Yeah.
see any gaps.
But so how do we make that? I mean, is it gonna stay?
It'll stay once
Yeah.
it's all stapled. Yeah, it'll stay. He's like, send me some pictures. I want to see it. Getting the whole edge.
That might be a world record.
For turf?
Yeah.
It's pretty good for start to finish. Not too bad. And we took a break, yeah. front yards and no seams, we can do a lot in a short amount of time.
Thanks.
Looks amazing. So nice. And that's it for the day. All right, I just got home from Denver. Ended up not being too bad. Pretty short day. Everything went really good. Thanks for watching.